Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign a Google Calendar with Android. Now let's get started. First, open your Google Calendar, and after this, in here you just click on the three lights icon at the top. Click on it, and then in here you can click on the refresh. And after this you can waiting until the process has been finished. So that how to sign a Google Calendar with Android. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye.